In today's video, I'm going to show you how to short on Kraken Pro app or sell crypto on Kraken Pro. Shorting on Kraken Pro means you're betting that the price of a cryptocurrency will fall. So you borrow the asset and sell it now with the intention of buying it back later at a lower price. The Kraken Pro app makes this possible through margin trading, where you use borrowed funds to open a short position. To begin, you need to make sure margin trading is enabled for your account. This option appears in your account settings, but it's only available if your profile is verified and if you're located in a region where Kraken allows margin trading. Once that's set, you must also fund your account with collateral, which can be in USD, USDT, or supported crypto, because this will secure your borrowing. Inside the Kraken Pro app, navigate to the trading pair you want to short, for example BTC, USD. When you open the order ticket, you'll see the choice of order type as usual, market, limit, or stop. Right below, you'll see a leverage setting. Choose the leverage you want, keeping in mind that Kraken supports up to 5x. Then, instead of buying, you select sell. By selling with leverage, you are effectively borrowing Bitcoin, in this example, from Kraken and selling it on the market. Once your short position is live, the app will show your margin level and liquidation price. If the market goes in your favor and the price of Bitcoin drops, you can close the position by buying back the same amount, repaying what you borrowed, and keeping the difference as profit. If the price rises instead, your margin level decreases, and if it gets too low, Kraken will liquidate your position to cover the loan. Closing a short is as simple as placing a buy order in the same trading pair. The system automatically recognizes that you're closing the borrowed position rather than opening a new long. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.